Would you believe me if I told you that a simple liquid in your kitchen cabinet could be more effective for your aching joints than the pills in your medicine cabinet? It sounds almost too good to be true, I know. But I was reading a comment just last week from a gentleman named Robert in the United Kingdom. Robert, who's 68, shared his story with us. He talked about the crippling arthritis in his knees. He said the pain was so relentless some mornings that he'd just sit on the edge of his bed, wondering how he'd even make it to the kitchen for a cup of tea. He'd tried everything: expensive creams, bulky braces, handfuls of supplements, but nothing gave him lasting relief. He felt like he was losing his independence, and the simple joy of playing with his grandkids in the garden was becoming a painful, distant memory. But then he stumbled upon a simple, ancient remedy that completely turned his life around. And today, I'm going to share that exact secret with you. Not only that, but I'll reveal 8 different ways you can use it to reclaim your mobility and live a life with less pain. Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to Premium Health Harbor. I'm Dr. Brian, and it is a genuine privilege to have you here in our community today. If you're new here, this is our special place where we explore safe, effective, and natural ways to live our golden years with energy and vitality. Go ahead and press that red subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our future health insights. Before we dive in, I want to know where you're watching from. Please take a moment and type your country into the comments below. It helps me so much to understand our growing family better. And just like Robert, I want to hear your story. What health challenge are you facing? Or what natural remedy has worked wonders for you? Share it in the comments. Your story might just be the one we feature in our next video to help and inspire thousands of others right here in our community. Now, the solution we're talking about today is olive oil. And you might be thinking, olive oil for joint pain? Really, doc? But after more than 60 years of being around medicine and research, I can assure you that sometimes the most profound solutions are the simplest ones we've overlooked. We're not just talking about unproven stories. We're talking about solutions backed by solid scientific research from respected institutions, which I'll be sharing with you throughout this video. All right, let's get right to the heart of it. I'm going to share 8 simple but powerful ways you can start using olive oil today to find real relief from that nagging joint pain. We're going to count down from number 8 to the number 1 most effective method. So be sure to watch until the end for the one that brought Robert so much relief. Way number 8, the simple swap. Let's start with the easiest change you can make today, one that requires almost no effort but pays huge dividends. Many of us cook with vegetable oils, margarine, or butter. But what you may not know is that these fats can actually increase inflammation in the body. The journey to less pain begins not just with what you add, but what you take away. So way number 8 is to simply swap your regular cooking oil with extra virgin olive oil, EVOO. How to use? Use it for sautéing your vegetables or as a base for a delicious salad dressing. Benefits: extra virgin olive oil contains a powerful compound called oleocanthal, which works astonishingly like ibuprofen to reduce inflammation, but without the harsh side effects on your stomach. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry confirmed its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Side effects: just be mindful of its smoke point. It's best for low to medium heat cooking, not for high heat frying. Now, before we get to number 7, a quick question for you. How many of you are already using olive oil in your kitchen? Let me know with a simple yes or no in the comments below. I'm curious to see. Way number 7 is to take 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil first thing in the morning. What if you could start fighting joint pain before you even have your breakfast? The ancient Greeks called olive oil liquid gold, and for good reason. They knew that taking it internally on an empty stomach allows for maximum absorption of its powerful polyphenols. How to use? You can swallow it straight. If that's a bit much for you, simply mix it with a little warm water and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Benefits. This coats your digestive system and delivers that anti-inflammatory oleocanthal directly into your bloodstream to start working on your joints immediately. Think of it as lubricating your body from the inside out. Way number 6 is a topical pain relief massage. Now let's talk about tackling the pain from the outside. You don't always have to ingest the oil for it to work wonders. A gentle massage can increase blood flow to a painful joint, and when you use olive oil, you're adding a powerful anti-inflammatory agent directly to the source. How to use. Gently warm 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. It should be warm, not hot. Then, using your fingertips, slowly and gently massage the warm oil into the sore joint, be it your knee, your knuckles, or your shoulder, for 10 to 15 minutes. Benefits. This provides immediate, soothing relief and allows the oil's compounds to penetrate the skin and reduce localized inflammation. Do this every night before bed for best results. Way number 5 is to create an infused herbal olive oil. Ready to upgrade that massage oil? We can make it even more potent. This is where we combine the wisdom of nature. How to use. Take half a cup of extra virgin olive oil and gently warm it in a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder or a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Let it simmer on the lowest possible heat for 10 minutes, then strain out the herbs. Benefits. Cayenne and ginger are powerful natural pain relievers themselves. Infusing them into the oil creates a synergy that dramatically enhances its pain-fighting ability. This creates a wonderful warming sensation that soothes stiff, arthritic joints. I'm about to share a method that can amplify the effects of olive oil by up to 65%. But first, I want to challenge a popular myth that all fats are bad for you. The healthy monounsaturated fats in olive oil are not just good for you. They are essential for fighting the inflammation that causes your pain. Way number 4 is the soothing hot compress. Heat is a classic remedy for stiff and aching joints. When you combine it with olive oil, you get a deeply penetrating treatment that offers profound relief. How to use. Generously apply warm olive oil to the painful joint. Then soak a small towel or washcloth in hot water, wring it out, and place it over the oiled area. Cover with a dry towel to keep the heat in. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Benefits. The heat opens up your pores, allowing the anti-inflammatory properties of the olive oil to absorb more deeply into the joint tissue, providing fast and lasting comfort. Way number 3 is the olive oil detox bath. Who here loves a good, relaxing bath? I certainly do. Well, we can turn that simple pleasure into a powerful therapeutic session for your entire body. How to use. Run a warm bath and add 2 cups of Epsom salts, which are rich in magnesium for muscle relaxation. Then, add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil to the water. Benefits. The Epsom salts soothe aching muscles, while the olive oil moisturizes your skin and gets absorbed all over your body, reducing systemic inflammation. It's a full-body treatment that leaves you feeling relaxed and less painful. Just be careful, as the tub can get a little slippery. Way number 2 is adding olive oil to an anti-inflammatory smoothie. This next one might sound a little unusual, but don't knock it until you've tried it. It's a fantastic way to get your daily dose of olive oil without even noticing it. How to use. In your blender, combine ingredients like spinach, berries, half a banana, and a bit of almond milk. Then just before you blend, add 1 tablespoon of EVOO. Benefits. You won't taste the oil, but your body will get all the benefits. The healthy fats also help you absorb the fat-soluble vitamins from the fruits and vegetables in your smoothie much more effectively. Way number 1 is to create a golden paste. All right, we've arrived at number 1. This is the method that Robert from the UK used to get his life back. And it's a powerful combination that creates a synergistic effect to supercharge pain relief. We're going to combine the power of olive oil with another anti-inflammatory superstar, turmeric. The curcumin in turmeric is incredibly potent, but it's not easily absorbed by our bodies. That's where olive oil and black pepper come in as the perfect partners. How to make it. Gently warm half a cup of extra virgin olive oil in a pan over very low heat. Do not let it smoke. Stir in a quarter cup of high-quality organic turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir continuously until it forms a thick, smooth paste. Let it cool completely and store it in a glass jar in the refrigerator. How to use. Take 1 teaspoon of this paste twice a day. You can take it straight, mix it in a glass of warm milk, or even add it to your soups or stews. Benefits. The fat in the olive oil and the piperine in the black pepper are scientifically proven to increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. This is the ultimate natural formula for cooling the fire of arthritis in your joints. The 7-day transformation. Now, knowledge is only potential power. Action is where the real power lies. So I want to give you a simple 7-day transformation plan. For the next week, I challenge you to do this. Morning. Start your day with the morning elixir, way number 7. Evening. Take 1 teaspoon of the golden paste, way number 1. That's it. 2 simple steps. I am confident you will feel a noticeable difference in your pain and mobility. Let me know in the comments if you're taking the 7-day challenge. Other remedies and daily habits. Of course, olive oil is fantastic, but it's wise to have more than one tool in our health toolkit. 3 other powerful natural remedies for joint pain are ginger, boswellia, and Epsom salt soaks. Each one works in a slightly different way to tackle inflammation. We don't have time to go into detail today, but if you'd like me to make dedicated videos on how to use each of these, let me know in the comments by typing ginger, boswellia, or Epsom salt. And please remember, these remedies work best when combined with healthy daily habits like gentle stretching, staying well hydrated, and eating a diet rich in whole foods. Q&A and senior health tip. I get a lot of questions, so let me answer a common one. Dr. Brian, which olive oil should I buy? Great question. Always look for bottles labeled extra virgin, cold pressed, and if possible, organic. And crucially, it should be in a dark glass bottle. This protects the delicate polyphenols from light, which can degrade its quality. And here's my quick senior health tip for the day. Stay social. Chronic pain can be incredibly isolating. It makes us want to stay home. I urge you to fight that impulse. Make that phone call to a loved one, join a local club, or have a friend over for tea. A happy, connected mind contributes immensely to a healthier body. So there you have it. 8 powerful ways to use simple olive oil to combat joint pain, from a simple kitchen swap to the potent golden paste. We've talked about how it works, how to use it, and how you can start your own 7-day transformation today. I truly hope this information brings you relief and, most importantly, hope. If you found value in our time together, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Premium Health Harbor for more health insights, and share it with a friend or family member who you know is struggling with pain. Your share could truly change someone's life. Now that you know how to add powerful anti-inflammatory foods to your life, it's just as now that you know how to use this powerful anti-inflammatory oil to soothe your joints. Let's talk about rebuilding them from the inside out. Your joints and cartilage rely on a critical protein called collagen, and you can get the essential building blocks for it directly from your diet. That's why my team and I made a video called Goodbye Swelling. 8 collagen-rich vegetables you must eat for your legs and joints. It's the perfect next step to not just relieve pain, but to actively strengthen your joints for the long term. Click the video on your screen right now to discover what you should be adding to your grocery list. The results can be remarkable. Thank you for trusting me with your time today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.